Okay, folks, carrying on with operations with numerical fractions. Okay, let's go. So A1, okay, so work out 2/3 times 3/6. So do top times top, bottom times bottom. 2 times 3 is 6 over or out of 3 times 6, which is going to be 18. Okay, now I can simplify this here, divide top and bottom by 6. So I get 1 over 3 or 1/3. Okay, that's A1 done. Okay, so multiply fraction, multiply numerator by numerator, and denominator by denominator, and then cancel down where possible. Okay, so top by top, bottom by bottom. Okay, A2, work out a half, subtract a half, well, that should be equal to 0. Okay, think of it as that 1 minus 1. Okay, anything subtract itself will always give you 0. Okay, A3, so dividing fractions. So remember the famous cliche and cringy acronym, keep, flip, change, KFC, or keep, change, flip. So we keep the first fraction the same. We flip the second fraction, so we find the reciprocal or inverted, and then the division changes to a multiplications, and then multiply fraction, multiply top by top, bottom by bottom. 2 times 20 is 40 over 4 times 2, which is 8. So I get 48, which simplifies to the whole number 5. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Okay, remember that line means division in maths. A4, 3/4 times 3/6. 3 times 3 is 9 over 4 times 6, which is going to be 24. Okay, now this one's a bit harder to actually spot. I can divide top and bottom by 3. So I get 3 over 8, or 3/8. Okay, another little trick here is that I know that 3/6 simplifies to equal to a half. So this is the same as doing 3/4 times a half. Okay, so if that's not very obvious, okay, hopefully you're happy that 3/6, well, 3 is half of 6. So I can divide top and bottom by 3, and I get 1 over 2, or a half. Okay, and then 3 times 1 is 3 over 4 times 2, which is 8. Okay, 4 by 2 is 8. A5, guys, so dividing fraction. Okay, again, keep, flip, change, or keep, change, flip, or copy, flip, swap. Okay, or copy, swap, flip. So 2/3. Okay, so we keep the fraction the same. Flip the second one, so we get 9/2, and then change the divide to a times. Okay, multiply fraction, multiply top by top, bottom by bottom. 2 times 9 is 18 over 3 times 2, which is 6. So I get 18/6, which is equal to the number 3. Okay, so this just simplifies to the whole number 3. Okay, now another little trick here, and I'm going a bit off topic here. Oh no, it's not off topic here, but so I can actually cross cancel. So if I look here, 2/3 times 9/2. Well, looking at my leading diagonals, I've got 2 divided by 2, so I can cancel that off. That goes to 1, and then I've got 9 divided by 3, or 9/3. That will go to 1, and that will go to 3. Then I have 1 times 1, which is 1 times 3 is 3 over 1 times 1, which is 1. So I get 3/1, which is equal to 3. Okay, so I can cross simplify, if that also helps, guys. Obviously that is a bit more, for anyone here that is aiming for like the higher grades, but this is appropriate. If you're trying to obviously like cross cancel or cross simplify. Okay, so for this first one I could have done, okay, so looking at my leading diagonals, okay, 3 divided by 3 goes to 1, and then 2 divided by 6 goes to 1 over 3, or 1/3. Okay, so now I have 1 times 1, which is 1 over 1 times 3, which is 3. So I get 1/3. Okay, that's that. Okay, and then here, I can, so obviously similar for A3. So here I could have actually simplified the fraction first. So I have a half divided by 1/10. Okay, because 2/4 is equal to a half in its simplest form. Okay, and then 2/20 is equal to 1/10 in its simplest form. So I can write it as a half times 10 over 1, which again, okay, I can obviously cross simplify. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So I get the answer of 5. Okay, 1 times 5 is 5 over 1 times 1, which is 1, so it's equal to 5 once, which is equal to 5. Okay, and then obviously for A4, okay, I did it obviously earlier, but yeah, divide top and bottom by 3. But yeah, sorry, I'm actually going a bit off topic here. Okay, and then lastly, guys, look at this algebraic. Okay, so that's to simplify x cubed y z over xy squared. Okay, so this is simplifying algebraic fractions. Okay, so x cubed divided by x without it equal to x squared. Okay, y divided by y squared, actually, so think of it as y to the 1, okay, over y squared. So using our laws of indices, that would be y to the minus 1, or 1 over y. And then I've got the z there, that just stays the same. Okay, so it's x squared, y to the minus 1, z, or I can write it as x squared, z over y, okay? So that's how we simplify, a trickier, okay, algebraic fraction, okay? So looking at, that one there, okay? So simplify x squared yz over xy squared, okay? That's how we simplify an algebraic fraction, okay? So I'm going to have x squared z over y, okay? Or x squared, y to the minus 1 times by z, okay? Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.